Miranda writes English. You are arrested for a crime of murder. You have the right to remain silent. Any statement you make may be used for or against you in any court of law in the Philippines. You have the right to have a competent and independent counsel, preferably of your own choice. If you cannot afford the service of counsel, the government will provide one for you. Do you understand this, right? Miranda writes Tagalog. Ikaw ay inaaresto sa salang pagpatay. Ikaw ay may karapatang manahimik o magsawalang kibo. Ano man ang iyong sabihin ay maaaring gawin pabor o laban sa iyo sa anumang hukuman. Ikaw ay may karapatang kumuha ng tagapagtanggol na iyong pinili, at kung wala kang kakayahan kumuha pagkakaloob sa iyo ng pamalaan. Na uunawaan mo ba ito?